স্পোকেন ইংলিশ তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। গুড ম্যানার্স। লার্নিং গুড ম্যানার্স does not come with an instruction manual. Nobody can spoon feed us the approach we should learn. Our parents and teachers give us the necessary ways to cultivate our personality. But we are the ones who have to put in the effort to better ourselves every day. Good manners cost nothing, but they help us a lot. Good manners are necessary in life as they help us to grow in personal and professional life. A person, just by his behavior, being polite, humble, respectful, are good manners. A man with good manners earns the love and respect of all. Parents should teach their children about their behavior with family, teachers, friends, relatives. A person who does not have a good manners loses dignity and self-respect. So we learn good manners, and it should be maintained throughout life. Manners define a person. Man is the only creation of God on earth who has the capacity to think and wise. Since we all live in society, we should know how to think, talk. Festival of Tripura. Tripura state in northeast India is renowned for its vibrant and diverse festivals that reflect its rich cultural heritage. One of the most significant festivals celebrated here is the Karchi Puja, dedicated to the worship of the 14 gods. The state celebration in July. The week-long festival involves elaborate rituals, folk dances, and traditional music, signifying the purification of the earth and the well-being of the people. People from different communities come together, showcasing communal harmony and cultural unity. Besides Karchi Puja, another important festival is the Goriya Puja, performed to honor the goddess of fertility and personality. These festivals not only preserve the tribal customs and traditional but also attract tourists, contributing to Tripura's cultural tourism. Overall, the festivals of Tripura highlight the state's unique identity and communal spirit. এখানেই তারা শেষ করছি। তোমার সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।